Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, hey, my name is Tenna and welcome to my circus. You guys get the unfiltered, raw, no makeup Tenna right now because it's nighttime and I just got off of work and I'm tired, but I got a package out the door and I want to tell you guys about it. So what did I get out the door? Yes, my Jeffree Star mystery boxes. And I'm going to show you what's in them. So if you want to hang out with me and see what's in my mystery boxes and compare to what's in your mystery boxes, then let's hang out. I'm like channeling my inner Jeffree. I don't do Red Bull, I do sparkling water. It's my Perrier. So I picked up quite a few things from this launch. Quite a few items, spent some serious money. Yeah, so let's start off with a couple of the merch items before I open up the mystery boxes. As you can see, I am modeling the 2020 year sweater that he did have, the fuzzy sweater. It's actually really nice. If you didn't get one, you probably should have gotten one, but it's really cute. So it's the ones that he was modeling on his page when he announced them. His was pink, so they come in pink and black. Pretty sure they're all sold out now, but it has the pink J Star logo on the front, and then the back it says Jeffree Star approved, because you know. But yeah, no, this sweater is like to die for. It is seriously so warm. It's like wearing a blanket. It's almost too warm. Like it's almost too warm to wear inside the house because it's literally like wearing a blanket. It's so damn soft though. I don't regret buying this. I am so happy with it. Next thing that I did get was a Jeffree Star approved mirror. I already own 2 of his star mirrors. These guys right here. So like, how many more mirrors do we need? We can never have too many mirrors, right? I use them every time I do my makeup. So let's open this one up, see what she looks like. I ordered the black one. She's cute and it matches my sweater. So anyways, this is what the new Jeffree Star mirror looks like. It says Jeffree Star approved, and then boop, it's a nice big round mirror this time instead of a star. I like it. All right, now to the part that everybody is probably like, come on, Tenna, like, let's get to the mystery boxes, let's go. Opening them, chill out. Before I open the first one, I have the Deluxe and the Supreme in front of me. I did not get the regular base box. I pretty much own everything that Jeffree Star has made at this point, so a lot of these things end up being duplicates for me, but I mostly get them because I want the exclusives. So before I open this up, I do want to give a quick shout out to my friend Olivia because this is not my Deluxe box. This is actually hers. We ordered our stuff together to save on shipping. Well, it was free because we spent so much damn money anyway, but we combined them together because it's just easier on shipping and all that stuff, even though it was free. We spent way too much money. But anyways, this is her Deluxe box and she was gracious enough to allow me to unbox her stuff on my channel, and I feel really horrible doing this and I apologize. She's probably watching this now. Yeah, I'm gonna open her box and I'm gonna do it very carefully and I'm gonna put things back, so I'm sorry. I probably won't swatch things because I already think it's rude that I'm opening her box, but I'm not about to start opening stuff, so I ain't doing no swatches. But the big box, the Supreme box, is mine. We will go through and swatch those things. So let's open this up carefully. Opening her box is like trying to get a bomb to not go off because I want to like give it to her in like the most perfect condition possible. Alright, so going into the Deluxe box, it did retail for $100. Inside of this, you're supposed to get 8 items. 3 of them are supposed to be exclusives, and he did promise that this time around that there were like no stickers and like none of that funny business. Ugh, I'm so scared to open this because it's not mine. It's like driving somebody's Porsche. Alright, so it is open. I'm sorry, Olivia. Okay, so what came in Olivia's box? So she got a pink Jeffree Star hat. Cute. Second thing that she got was a Jeffree Star t-shirt, and it has the same logo as the back of the hoodie. So it has all of the hearts and stuff that says like, hi, how are ya, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, all that good stuff. She got a gloss in the shade Legends Only. Legends Only looks to be like a icy, kind of a nice nude gloss, which is cute. She also got a velour liquid lipstick. This looks like it's one of the exclusives here because it is in red shiny packaging. And it has a question mark on it, so it is one of the mystery lips, so we do not know what the actual shade name is of this. Ooh, that's pretty. So that's what it looks like. It's a nice, cute little red metallic moment. Super cute. I opened it from the bottom, so I didn't break your sticker. So one thing that I hate about the glosses is the way they're packaged in there. You can't actually pull them out from the bottom. I would have to actually break her sticker, which I'm not gonna do because it's rude. We got some green straws so that we can save the turtles. Now we've got some wrapped up packaged goods here. Let's go ahead and slowly open this up. Inside this one we have a mini jawbreaker palette, or the mini breaker palette, and this is what it looks like in the cute little box. I personally have a mini breaker, so I will open mine so that you guys can see what it looks like, but this is what the inside of the mini breaker palette looks like. See, would have never known it was opened. Next thing that we have in here, it looks like it's some sort of palette, so I will carefully open this one as well. And inside this one, she got the Jeffree Star Cosmetics 24 karat highlighter palette, which is actually one of my absolute favorite ride or die palettes by him. It's a highlighter palette and it's got all like the beautiful golds and things like that. I don't think she has this one. I think that when this came out, there was like the platinum, which she got, and then I ended up getting the 24 karat gold one. That one didn't get closed as good, but good enough. And then the last thing that is in here looks to be a mirror as well. I am gonna break the seal on this one because I'm curious as to what it looks like. Oh, she got a cute little pink Jeffree Star mirror. Cute. So like, I'm low-key trying to figure out, those were the exclusives. Okay, so everything that was in this box, we got a mirror. Cute. We got the 24 karat gold highlighter palette. We got the mini breaker palette. We got some straws that we can save the turtles. She got a Legends Only lip gloss, which is like a very sparkly nude. We got the mystery red lip. We got the Jeffree Star shirt, which is also an exclusive, as well as the pink hat, which is also an exclusive. So those were the three exclusive items in this box, was the shirt, the hat, and the velour liquid lip. Again, thank you to Olivia for letting me unbox your box on my channel. I am so sorry if I didn't go super duper in depth with that one. It's just when you're opening somebody else's box, she was gracious enough to let me open it before she could, and I'm not about to get crazy and like just start opening and swatching all the things because that's just not nice, I don't think. Whew, all those unboxing, I feel like I'm getting sweaty. So next up is my box, the Supreme. This is the big boy. The Supreme retailed for $145. It comes with 12 items, 5 of them being exclusive. So let's open this up, see what I got. I haven't looked in here yet. Oh, cute. Did I also get a shirt? What is this? Oh, it's a tote bag. Okay, cute. So basically the shirt that was in the last box that I opened up that I didn't want to pull it out, this is what the back of the shirt looks like. So I got it in a tote bag version, which is super cute. I like that. I love me some totes. Cute. So I'm assuming that is going to be an exclusive because it's very like Valentine's Day and I've never seen him carry totes before. What is this? Oh, how cute. It's one of the side bags. Okay, I can open this because this is mine. So he was selling the side bags on his website when all of these things launched, but I didn't pick them up because I didn't really like all the colors. Like, I'm not a massive pink person. I like black and maroons and things like that, and everything that went up was just more on the pinky side. But this color, oh my god, I'm so glad this is an exclusive. So that's what it looks like. It's a cute little side bag in like that unicorn blood color, and it's got a cute little strap on it that says Jeffree Star all down the strap. Yes, this is super cute. Okay, love. So I'm assuming that's another exclusive because I did not see this color on the site. We got a pink Jeffree Star logo pop socket for the phone. Alright, what things do I have in here that I probably already have? So I already know what this guy is just based on the wrapping paper alone. This right here is going to be a Blue Blood palette. I'm going to not open this one because I have a feeling that I'm going to give this away because I already own it. So stay tuned. I will be doing a giveaway because I know that there are things in here that would go to people that want this and couldn't afford it and didn't get their hands on it, and I already own it. So let me grab the one that I own. So yes, here is a Big Blue. This is the one that I own. I already knew because it came in the same packaging, and I can already see on the sides that this is a Blue Blood palette. But to give a recap of what this looks like, so if you are into blue eyeshadows, yes, that is what she looks like. She's a beautiful palette. So I will be giving that one to a good home soon. And today that I'm opening this, Jeffree Star just announced his new freaking palette. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's like purples. I can't wait to see the inside. It's gonna be amazing. Next thing that I got is here. It looks like it's gonna be a highlighter palette. Yes, it's the Brain Freeze palette. I already own this too. Okay, yeah, I already own this. So here's the one that I just got, but I'll show you guys the inside of mine because since I already own it, I will be giving that one away as well. So that is what the inside of it looks like. Mine's been used, so the pans look a little beat to hell, but that is what it looks like on the inside. Beautiful palette. Yes. All right, let's keep this train moving. Next up, I've got a gloss in the shade Ice Cold. This is mine, so I can open it up. I have a feeling if it's called Ice Cold, it's gonna be like a white icy gloss. I knew it. So that is what she looks like. It is a nice white icy metallic gloss. So if we want to open this up, I will do a little swatchy poo on the back of the hand. Oh, beautiful. So, and it smells like vanilla. It smells really good. So if we take a look here, maybe you guys can see a little better. So you can see some of the purple and the blue and the pink in there. Cute. Into it. Next up, we have another gloss, which looks like to be an exclusive. It is in that red packaging. So this is another Valentine's Day exclusive color. And it is in the color Soft Core Sparkle. Oh, Jeffree, you and your names of your makeup. Everything's got like a sexual innuendo to it. Ooh, so this one is purple. That is what it looks like. And let's do a little swatchy poo on the back of the hand on this one too. Okay, this one's definitely got more of like a pink hint to it, but I was gonna say they almost look similar. So there they are next to each other. So you can probably, it's really hard to see glosses on a camera, but this one has a little bit more of a pinky purple shift to it. Right, we've got a few lipsticks, so it doesn't look like we got any like exclusive lip colors, but I got a lipstick in the shade Yes Ma'am, which I think I already own. So I got it here in the shade Yes Ma'am, which is a nice bright pink. I already own this. So guess what? I will also be putting it in a giveaway. Next up, this looks like it came from his Christmas collection. It's in white, it's in the shade Mistletoe, so I know that it's like a deep foresty green color, which I love. This will be really cool for different looks. That is what it looks like there. Nice green. And then the last color, which is an OG color, one of like the first ones he ever made, is Blow Pony, which is this cool pastel kind of a purple color. And there's that. We also got a lip scrub in here. This one is Mojito. I feel like I already have a Mojito one. Maybe? I don't know. But that is what Mojito looks like. It's in the original pink JSC one. Definitely smells like a Mojito. You can definitely smell the mint in there, like the real mint that's in there. But anyway, yeah, I love his lip scrubs. I own way too many of them. I might just give this one away too because I can't justify having 8. I literally already have like 8 lip scrubs and I can't justify having another one. I'm giving away a lot of this box. And the last thing that is in the bottom of this box is a mirror. And based on the label on it, it looks like I got myself another Jeffree Star approved mirror, which is actually funny to me because I was contemplating because I really wanted the Jeffree Star approved mirror, and I was like, should I buy it? And everybody's like, what if they put it in the box? I'm like, he never puts new things in the box. Shame on me, he put a Jeffree Star approved mirror in the box. And it says on the label that is baby pink chrome, which I did not think I saw available. So this may also be an exclusive item. Oh, it's cute. Oh my god, so cute. So yeah, it is a nice big old pink Jeffree Star approved mirror. So now I can have two. I'm gonna have so many mirrors, I'm not gonna know what to do with all of them. Seriously. I do like this though, because like I can see my face. Like, I love the star mirrors, but like if you put them next to each other, like look how much more like surface space you have to look at yourself. Like, you can see everything in my filming room. But yeah, you can see so much more here. Cute! Alright, so quick little recap of everything that came in the Supreme box. I got a Jeffree Star approved mirror. I got 3 liquid lipsticks. I got 2 glosses, one of them being an exclusive. I got 1 lip scrub. I got the Brain Freeze highlighter palette. I got the Blue Blood eyeshadow palette. We got the pink pop socket, the cute unicorn blood colored side bag, and the tote. Super duper cute. Cool. So what are my thoughts on this? I'm really excited about the exclusive items that I did get in here. I've always said it and I'll say it again. I feel like the mystery boxes are really for people that don't have a lot of Jeffree's items. There's a lot of people like me that are like diehard fans that legit have everything. Like, I literally own every single palette that man has made. Like, every single palette. I own the little cardboard things that you can buy to put the little lipsticks and stuff in. I have 3 of those completely full, which means I've got about like 75 of his lipsticks. Like, I've got so many lipsticks, I've got glosses, I've got all of his highlighters. I just have a lot of Jeffree Star things. So a lot of these times I know that I'm taking a gamble by buying them because I know that 75% of what's in the box is already going to be something that I own. But I really buy them because I want the exclusive things that nobody else can get, which I think is pretty freaking cool. So I'm really excited about the exclusive things. And the other thing that I think is really cool is that on this channel I love doing giveaways. So you did hear me say throughout my unboxing all the things I'm going to give away. The Blue Blood palette, the highlighter palette, the lip scrub, and I've got other things that I would like to do giveaways and stuff on. So yeah, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that. I think that I'm probably going to do a giveaway around the time that his new palette releases. His reveal of the new palette is coming this week, which means that the actual launch date will follow very quickly afterwards. It's just true Jeffree fashion. He announces it and it's out within 2 weeks or so. So I'm really excited about that. I will definitely be getting my hands on that and hopefully one of the first people to get a review up to show you guys what it looks like. And in that one, I will do a Jeffree Star giveaway and we'll find a new home for some of these items. And I may pick up some things from the new collection to also throw in the giveaway for you guys for being such awesome, loyal subscribers. So if you are new here, if you are interested in seeing anything for like a giveaway, go ahead and hit subscribe. Maybe you'll win. Maybe you'll get like a cool little welcome basket for coming to my channel. I don't know. So anyways, that is everything that is in here. I'm really excited. We got some cool stuff. So yeah, hopefully this was cool for you. I'm pretty sure it looked like just like everybody else's unboxing video that was on the interwebs, and I think all of us that are diehards have the same consensus. We own most of the shit that's in here. However, I'm excited for the exclusives. I feel like Jeffree should have like a diehard tier that's like a box of strictly exclusives so that the people that already own 90% of his freaking empire like can join in on the fun and like have more exclusive items that we don't already have, which I think would be kind of neat. But anyways, that's it. I'm just rambling. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Hopefully this was cool for you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!